decided to start trick-or-treating early. Outdoors.
Okay, I'm a little scared to ask this, but what'd you get?
I got half a roll of toilet paper. Some dental floss. And car keys.
Where are the car keys?
Oh, on the bathroom floor. They bounced off my face after the lady threw them at me.
Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing.
Ooh, 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 ooh. We gotta go home.
What's the rush?
Well,
I have to get you in your Halloween costume and we have a babysitting job at 1:30.
We're babysitting a kid today?
yeah.
But it's Saturday! And it's Halloween! Do you know what they call that? Satterween! It only happens like once every 300 years.
Shouldn't that happen more like once every 7 years?
Oh, so all of a sudden you're smart?
We only have to babysit one little girl from 1:30 to 5, and then we can have all our Halloween fun.
Satterween!
Whatever ween you want! And since today is a holiday,
I don't want to babysit.
we're getting paid double.
I like this plan.
I'm Cat Valentine. Simple things confuse me. Ding dong.
You did my doorbell thing.
What doorbell thing?
This is weird.
I'll get the door.
I'll trail after you.
Hi! Ha! I can't do it. Sup?
My name is Mr. Grange. Is this Sam and Cat Super Rocking Fun Time babysitting service?
Yep.
Stand aside.
So,
Where is the kid you want us to babysit?
She's out in the hallway. Come, Clarice. Need to follow as you look after Clarice.
This is a list of things you want us to do.
for that.
For her, yes.